I'm here with Stephanie Crawford, who's the chair of a group of textile ladies who call yourselves Contemporary Quilters West?
Yes, or CQ West for short.
CQ West. And we're in front actually of a piece of your work.
Yep.
I love shoes.
Most people do, yes. We all vary, really. It's the backgrounds that we come from. We're not all traditional quilters.
And how many in your group?
We have a maximum of 25 at any one time.
So, and do you meet on a regular basis?
We meet 6 times a year for the day, and then we exhibit every other year. So we encourage each other. It always has to be new work.
Right.
And then we have an exhibition which may go to 2 or 3 venues, 3 venues this year. And then we have a quiet year while we're working on it. And we don't have a brief, so it's always called Unfolding Stories 1, 2 or 3. This is 3. And so we do our own work and then we put it together.